What's going on, YouTube family? Have you ever wondered how to make your own ribs at home? Well, in this video I'm going to show you how and how easy it is to do it. So stick around. Okay, the first thing you need to know about ribs is they have a membrane on the back side of them. It's right there. You see that little chunk of skin? If you've ever done them before, you know it's there. Some people take a spoon and go up under in the middle. You can take a knife as well and just kind of feel up in there in the middle. Get it started like that, and then you can take your finger. I'm not doing this very cleanly. This is real life. Spoon would have probably been better. If you never get it started, you can go all the way across just like I've got right there. And see how I got my fingers all the way through, and then you start pulling up just like that. Just like that. The next step, people usually use some type of binder to make the meat wet. That way it will take your dry rub or your seasoning that you're going to put on. The way that it is wet, but most of that will not adhere to the meat. It won't stick to the meat. So what we want is some type of binder. I have used W sauce, and if you can't get it at your local store, I have actually ordered it online. That's how I get it. And some people, like I said, use mustard. You can use either or. I wouldn't slather the mustard on real heavy. I would do it light and just make it to where it's wet. Just a light little glaze of it. And then we're going to dust our meat with the rub seasonings that we have. Alright, so the next steps in this is critical. Alright y'all, I know I'm doing this on an electric smoker. I got it a few years ago, on my birthday actually. And it's something like a hobby that I've picked up. They say when you're in your 30s, you're either cling to World War II history and start learning about it, or you start learning how to smoke meat. So I went the smoked meat route, although I'm still kind of interested in World War II. I picked up a Masterbuilt electric smoker for my birthday a few years ago. This is it. And it's nothing much. And to be honest with you, I need to get my tripod out of the way. It's nothing really more than an electric oven that sits outside. The deal with charcoal, and some of the best ribs that I have made have been from charcoal. It's hard to regulate charcoal temperature. So you may have charcoal that burns and get your grill, no matter, depending on the size and how you do it, it's hard to regulate. You'll get it heated up and then your charcoal will burn down. And you have to keep maintaining a temperature. So it's a lot more work. A lot of people are lazy. I've been kind of lazy with this thing. I've made them on the grill while we've been at the lake. I've never done it on the one at home. But the best ribs I've made were off my charcoal grill. This is a way of doing it without having to do it in the house, and to add smoke flavor to it. And real smoke flavor. So if you want it to be easy peasy, easy as you want it, you can make ribs in the house. You can do everything I'm doing today in your conventional oven. Now granted, it won't have smoke flavor to it, but if you're a guy and you don't know how else to do it, get you a chimney of charcoal and a little bit of apple wood. I've got multiple bags down here of apple wood and hickory, like little chips, to put in a smoker box or a smoke tube. You can use those in your charcoal grill and wrap them in aluminum foil if you don't have anything else, and let that smoke build up, and it will flavor your meat the first probably 30 minutes to an hour that you have it on there. And if you don't have a smoker, that's all you need is a charcoal grill. You can start them out on a charcoal grill, pull them after about 30-45 minutes of having that smoke, and then put them in your oven and cook them the rest of the way in the oven. It's easy peasy. I've got the Masterbuilt electric smoker. I'm going to feed it smoke for probably an hour or so, and then after that it's on its own. It's the same thing as the conventional oven. So I am going to get that thing started and let it start heating up, and then we're going to put our ribs in it, and I will show you the next step. I'm going to set it for about 9 hours. I'm not going to use 9 hours. It's not going to take that long. So that's 275 in my electric smoker. So at 275 in my electric smoker, I can have ribs done within 3.5 to 4 hours. How I know they're done is after I have let them cook for so long, I can take a glove or something to turn one of the bones, and if the bone turns and it pulls like it's going to pull out, we're good. So that's how you tell. You can tell if you go to pick them up and they fall apart, they're ready. You don't want them. I don't want them. I personally don't like rubbery ribs. I would rather them fall off the bone. So as easy as this is, 275, 3.5 to 4 hours on a smoker or a conventional oven. You might want to go 250 inside and just let it cook low. Alright y'all, my temp's at 233. We do have a little bit of smoke coming out of there, as you can tell. So what we're going to do is we're going to put them on, and I'm going to start my cook time. See my watch, it's 2 o'clock, 2:01. I'm going to go from there. Put them in there. Now I just added some smoke, and we're gonna let them cook. So about 3.5 hours. We'll just let them sit. All right, y'all, time has come. We are sitting on, I started at 2 o'clock. It is currently 5:53. So we're almost at that 4-hour mark. And I'm gonna go ahead and take off the ribs, and I'm gonna sauce them, and I'm gonna let them rest for about 15 minutes before we eat them. My glasses fogged, let them defog. Now, what I said about a pull on the bone is this. What you want to do, you want to pull a little bit. Try to, look at that. I think we're good, y'all. So let's see if I can get them off and get them in this pan. I don't know if I'm going to be able to get them whole. I'll try them long ways though. Oh, like that. Maybe I should have cut them. What do y'all think? Got them. Okay. I'm going to go up against that bone right there. There ain't much cutting to do. Okay, I'm gonna sauce them right quick. There you go, there's the finished product. And I got me one cut off right there that we're gonna try. All right, here go nothing. Sweet. Did I say more? Alright, y'all seen the finished product. These are super easy to do. Like I said, if you want to cook them in the house, take the oven instructions that I gave you, give it 3.5 to 4 hours on a smoker, same thing. Charcoal is a little different. You got to regulate your heat if you can, same thing. I did these at 275 for about 3 hours and 45 minutes, and I pulled them, and they're falling off the bone. So if y'all enjoyed this video, please go back and look at our other stuff. I hope y'all subscribe.